Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce training expenses with Coursera, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your organization's current training expenses. Identify the specific training needs of your employees. Research Coursera's offerings to find relevant courses that match these needs. Create an account on Coursera for your organization. Explore Coursera for Business if you're managing a larger team or company. Evaluate different subscription plans available on Coursera. Take note of the courses included in each plan. Consider using Coursera's free trials to evaluate the platform before committing. Communicate with your team about the benefits of using Coursera for their professional development. Assign courses to employees based on their individual training plans. Encourage employees to set goals for course completion. Monitor the progress of employees through Coursera's dashboard. Utilize the analytics provided by Coursera to assess participation and completion rates. Gather feedback from employees about their learning experiences. Review the overall impact of training on your organization's performance. Adjust your training strategy as necessary based on findings. Consider transitioning to a blended learning approach by combining Coursera with in-house training. Stay updated on new courses and features added to Coursera regularly. This proactive approach will help you continually reduce training expenses while enhancing employee skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.